બિઝનેસ યા કોઈ પણ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન ઓવરનાઇટ સક્સેસ નહીં થતું. એને સક્સેસફુલ બનાવવા વાસ્તે પેશન જોઈએ, ડિટર્મિનેશન જોઈએ, બટ સૌથી પહેલા એ આઈડિયા અને કરેજ ટુ ટેક દેટ ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ જોઈએ. મારું નામ અમર કાચવાલા છે અને થેન્ક્સ ફોર ટ્યુનિંગ ઇન ટુ ધીસ સેશન ઓફ ઇન્ટરવ્યુ વિથ અલ તજારતલ રાબિયા. અને આજે આપણા સાથે જે ભાઈ છે, he started his online grocery business with just a Google form 10 days back, and now it has turned into a full-fledged e-commerce store. Aaj apna sathe Abbas bhai Taskeen che, who hails from Visakhapatnam, has moved recently to Surat and has settled down. He runs this company called TT Motorsports. And Abbas bhai, thanks for joining us today. And can you quickly tell us, je aapye online grocery nu business start kidu and je portal start kidu with just 10 days back as a Google form, and I see that it's getting back to back orders, itla bada hits છે વેબસાઇટ ના ઉપર, એ quickly એક business નું shape લઈ લીધું છે. How did you manage to do all of this? And particularly what I'm interested to know right now, and I'm sure કે ઘણા બધા businesses અને moving ને એ જાણવામાં શોખ છે કે what motivated you to take that first step towards setting this up?
Thank you, Amar bhai, for bringing me on board. Afzal salam to all the viewers as well. Amar bhai, firstly, Tajara Rabia no shukriya ke you're reaching out to so many people and giving them guidance in this time. And I am also one of the people who have received so much information and received so much barakat from Mola and through this platform of yours. Thank you for that, firstly. Now, secondly, this was very casual. એટલે કઈ સોચ્યું નહોતું કે આમ કઈ કરીશું. But since I just recently moved to Surat, I live in a society where there are 500 flats, Burani Centenary Park. Most of our viewers must be knowing. So when the news came out that it is going to be a lockdown, my wife wasn't home and she was at her in-laws. So I went to my cousin's place and we knew that the announcement has come in, and so it didn't sink in first any gravity sucha situation, but we came to know the next day that there was just pandemonium on the streets for simple essentials and groceries. So that's when we thought that we should really do something for our society first. We didn't think it will go out beyond our society, but we thought we'll just do something. And but the movement in range of society was, we thought we will do something for them, and maybe if we could accumulatively purchase things, it will benefit everyone, and nobody has to go out, and the social distancing no je PM Modi no call atu, that we are able to adhere to. So that was the main idea behind it.
Right. So mane em kaho ke as I can see and as I've learned briefly that je tame start kidu, પહેલા તમે ગૂગલ ફોર્મથી સ્ટાર્ટ કીધું અને પછી તમને ઘણા બધા ઓર્ડર્સ આવવા લાગા, and then you quickly set up a e-commerce platform. So operation wise, how did it all play? How did it all you pull together? શું તમે ટીમ બનાવી, શું તમે રિમોટલી કામ કીધું? અને because ઘણી બધી ચીજો છે, રાઈટ? એક તો છે આ રોલ આઉટ કરી દેવું, but I'm sure ઘણા બધા logistics involved છે આ આખા પ્રોસેસમાં. How did you ensure to pull all of that together in such a short period of time?
Well, Jivare, lockdown announced થયું, so that the next very day, I have two of my cousins who stay in the society. So we got together. So that was my first team. So I contacted the nearest people I could, I have my tuning well with. So we formed a 3-member. Along with me, there were 2 more people. And we sent out, okay, let's just, we have an official group for the society. So we put up a Google form and listed out all the essential items which generally people might be requiring. We put in all those and we sent out the form. And in a couple of hours, I would tell you, we had around 25 to 30 orders. And everybody were ready to, just pay us, and we could just deliver to them. So that one day we sat down, we sorted all the items that we wanted to bring, and both of my cousins, they actually went out when the relaxation period was given to buy groceries and essentials. So they went out, they bought all the items on their own with our own money, and that was, I would say, our first investment. We actually went out and bought everything. We came back, sorted everything out, and delivered. And that's it. I mean, then the form went viral. The Google form went viral within our society. So the next very day, it just doubled, and most of the things we were not able to cater sometimes. And then people started calling in for giving us items which are not even there in the Google form. So then we had to improvise, and then we learned, and that's how we grew. Firstly, and logistics-wise, we had a lot of challenges, of course, because we are not from the grocery field as such. We don't know how many items અને કેટલા gram છે અને then તેના varieties શું છે and શું packing માં આવે છે. We don't know. So my cousins and their wives helped us in knowing કે ધનિયો એટલો મળે છે, zero એટલો મળે છે, and a lot of other things that, and we quite of adapted, learned, changed models every day. We used to kind of learn, and that's how it grew. Yeah. And at one point it was just too much, so Google Sheets just couldn't handle, and we had to move to an e-commerce platform. So that's how it all began.
Right. So મને જે સમજમાં આવે છે કે હમણાં if જે તમે સ્ટાર્ટ કીધું અને તમે ક્વિક રેપિડ પેસમાં રોલ આઉટ કીધું અને દેન તમે મૂવ કીધું ટુ e-commerce પ્લેટફોર્મમાં તમે મૂવ કીધું, બટ આ e-commerce પ્લેટફોર્મ સેટઅપ કરવા વાસ્તે શું તમારા પાસે did you have to invest in, તમે ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ કીધું યા તમે કોઈ બીજા પાર્ટનર્સને ઓનબોર્ડ લાયા જે તમને હેલ્પ કરે, તો તમે કેવી રીતને ક્વિક ટાઈમમાં આ મેનેજ કીધું ટુ બી એબલ ટુ રોલ ધીસ આઉટ? બીકોઝ જે મને સમજ પડે છે e-commerce પ્લેટફોર્મને સગલું આમ સુનવામાં ઘણું હેવી લાગે છે કે ટીમ બનાવવું પડશે યા હાયર કરવું પડશે યા કોઈને આઉટસોર્સ કરવું પડશે, બટ તમે કેવી રીતને એટલી ક્વિકલી એને ટેકલ કીધું?
That's a great question, Amar bhai, and I'm sure this is a question which everybody has in the mind, and that is the biggest hurdle. I mean, people just don't know. हाँ करी तो लेसु पैसा भी हमारा खींचा में, but how do I do it? So here where YouTube and Google's plays the big problem. I mean, they ease out a lot of our jobs. So professionally, I haven't learned any programming or software or anything. Neither my other co-founders have learned anything. But we Googled, we asked around other people we know how do we go about, and found out that there are a lot of portals on the web who provide you with ready-made e-commerce platform. I mean, all you have to do is launch your whatever name that you need to set up and list out all the products which you want to deal in, set up a payment gateway. Fortunately, our gateway was already set up because our earlier businesses, the TD Motorsports event management business that we have, in that already we had a payment gateway set up. So all we have to do is link it, and you won't believe, but the whole e-commerce setup was complete in about 36 hours flat. The day we thought that we want to go on board, in 36 hours we were able to get the whole e-commerce setup up and running. And you won't believe, it's on the 10th of April we launched it, and today is just 10 days for the e-commerce platform, and we have already executed 250 plus orders just on the e-commerce platform, leave alone the Google Sheet that we used to do earlier. So that's the amount of traffic it has come, and I'm so happy that it worked out. So that's how it has been till now.
Amazing. And from what I understand, कि कोई पण business નું backbone finance હોય છે. So how is that playing out in terms of જે તમારા orders છે, જે તમારા logistics છે, જે તમારા delivery ના અંદર માણસો required હશે, તમારું technology setup નું cost છે, so એ તમે કેવી રીતે manage કરી રહ્યા છો? How is it all playing out?
Well, until Amar bhai, when we were within our own society, we live in you can say we're living in South Surat. So majority of Mominin, and let me tell you that first that we started for this as by Mominin and for Mominin. That was our logo, that it is for by Mominin and for Mominin. So most of our viewers would know that our concentrated Mominin population is in central Surat, which is Jhapa and Natrafna area. So until we were doing it in the society, we had no issues. I mean, we were going ahead. Most of it was cash on delivery, so we were putting money from our own pockets. When the customer used to pay, that same money used to go again into rotation. So that was happening. But when Jhapa came into picture, the central Surat area came into picture, that is a distance of around 12 kilometers from where we stay. So logistics was just not possible, and within the city there were quite a lot of travel restrictions, so it was impossible to travel, and we didn't have any permits as well from the authorities to take groceries and essentials out in the city that far. So here's how we managed it. We moved it to e-commerce platform, and that's when we put it into central Surat. Before that, we were delivering only to our own society because cash and delivery was possible. Otherwise, taking it outside the cash and delivery model wouldn't have worked. So once we connected it to payment gateway, the customers started placing orders on the gateway. The amount that we received, that same amount we passed it on to Muminin Bhaiyo, who are actually residing in Jhapa. Now these Muminin Bhaiyo बेचारा are daily रोजंदारी पर काम करे छे. They are generally लारी पर समोसा बेचे छे या they are selling lot of other भजिया या कई बेचे छे, घरे रोटी बनावे छे, लोगो ऑटो चलावे छे अपना मुमिनीन भाईઓ. So એવા લોકો છે જેના daily lives affect થઈ ગયા છે. So fortunately, we dialed someone and he was a samosa seller. So अपना वाला भाई છે तो એને અમે કીધું કે ભાઈ તમે, અને he was very well versed with Japa because he's living in Japa for the past 25 years now. So he know every nook and crook of the whole Japa area and Rustampura and other areas. So all we told him was કે ભાઈ આ બધું કિરાના ને આ બધું orders આવી રહ્યા છે. You are anyway purchasing it from the local કિરાના વાળા તારા ઘરના નીચે જે છે. So all you have to do is કે તારા બીજા મોમિન ભાઈ વાસ્તે બી ખરીદીને આપી દે. That's all we told him. And we didn't even talk about money. He said, "Yeah, bhai, I will love to do it, no issues." So we gave him our first order, which was about $1,000. અને કોઈ જામિયાનો કોઈ હતા ઉસ્તાદ એના order હતો એ. So we gave him the order and we passed on the exact amount we received from the customer. We don't take any margin. So we had a deal with him. जो MRP ना prices listed છે. So obviously, if you go it from the market, you're going to get it for a little margin. So certain areas now, like tomatoes and potatoes and groceries, definitely there's a margin. So on 1,000 rupees, he was able to make somewhere around 13 to 16% margin. That is about $150 on a 1,000 rupee order. So he was happy with it, and we didn't earn anything out of it, but we just diverted our order volume to some other party who was able to deliver. That's all we had in mind. So he delivered one, he delivered two, then slowly in 2-3 days he started delivering 10 orders daily. So now 150 rupees if he gets a margin, and our single ticket order is single price order is about $1,000. So he was making around 1,500 rupees a day in delivering 10 orders. So हमारे delivery na logistics na problem firstly solved, and to expand that same logistics, he himself got on board his friends. Why not we continue? And then he got his friend because he couldn't deliver more than 7 to 8 orders per day.
Right.
So he said, okay, I'll do the purchase, I'll get my friends on board. So he got another friend of his on board. Likewise, the team grew to now 7 people.
Right.
7 people catering to not only central Surat area, also to very premium locations where very rich Surtis and Gujaratis stay. So the word got out, and now we have got delivery persons across north, south Surat. So that's how the delivery and logistics was solved. And as far as the finance is concerned, finance itself came because the customer is paying and we're just passing out to the delivery guys. So although we are not making any money in that, but going forward we'll work out something. It's still very dynamic and still the lockdown is going on. See, I don't know where this takes now.
True. Nice. So મને એમ કહો that કોઈ પણ બિઝનેસનું જે બીજો ક્રુશિયલ પાર્ટ હોય છે કે આપણે આઈડિયા આવી ગયું, આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી લીધું, બટ હવે એને માર્કેટ કરવું. સો હાઉ ડુ યુ ટેક કેર ઓફ માર્કેટિંગ? તમે કેવી રીતને ઇતના બધા લોકો તક રીચ આઉટ થઈ રહ્યા છો? યુ સેડ ઇન ધ પીરિયડ ઓફ લાસ્ટ 10 days 250 પ્લસ ઓર્ડર્સ તમે ઓલરેડી એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરી ચૂક્યા છો અને ઘણા બધા એટલા પાઇપલાઇનમાં છે. સો તમે કેવી રીતના કસ્ટમર્સ લગ પહોંચી રહ્યા છો? બિકોઝ સગલાના ઝહેનમાં એ જ આવે છે that અમે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી લેશું, અમે આ આઈડિયા તો ફાઇન છે, બટ દેન મારા પાસે માર્કેટિંગમાં ખર્ચવાને પૈસો નથી, યા તમે મેં કેવી રીતને કરવું, મને માર્કેટિંગનો આઈડિયા નથી. સો હાઉ ડીડ યુ ડુ ઇટ?
Well, Amar bhai, what we did was, to be very frank, we haven't spent a single rupee on marketing as yet.
Wow.
The first initial orders that we delivered through Google Sheets within our own society, people just by word of mouth, it just went out. And now the situation is such that lot of home industry people अपना वाला मोमिनीन बहराओ जे समोसास ઘરમાં બનાવે છે, રોટી બનાવે છે, પરાઠાસ બનાવે છે, ભજીયા બનાવે છે. तो ये लोगों now they are contacting us and asking us के भाई हमारा products भी अपना website पर list करी दो. So marketing is, and once we list their product on the website, they themselves are sharing that particular listing link within their circles. So it is just I don't know, I have not really given a thought कि मैंने market करવું છે. Probably once the lockdown is over and we have some competition from big giants, then we will have to spend money on marketing. But currently खुदानो शुक्र है, मौलाना में दुआ છે કે Moominin is our USP. Moominin themselves is the USP. So they themselves are experiencing how the delivery works and then recommending it to their other family members and relatives within their buildings and all. And that's how it's been working out. It's
more
great now.
It's word of mouth is what working for you as of now.
Exactly.
Okay. So, Mane, to come towards the conclusion of this discussion, Abbas bhai, I'm sure Hamna, what you started is a great initiative. It's obviously need of the hour punch hai, because apne khabar hai ke big boys like Big Basket and Amazon Fresh ne ewa sagla players hai, they are also unable to fulfill the orders hai, and they are not able to operate in their even utilizing alumni full capacity. But have you thought of, have you chalked out a plan कि lockdown जब complete thase and things return back to normal? So where do you want to take this to?
Yes, Amar bhai, we did give it a thought, and I mean it also scares me sometimes. It scares me because logo judi gaya chhe apna sathe. Today we are a team of 10 people. In 20 days we build a team of 10 people. It's very close knit team. And out of that, 3 of our co-founders, all of us have our own professional lives, which are currently on hold.
Right.
So, and plus, we are all 3 huddled up in one room all day. So something productive has come out. But it does scares me what is going to happen once normalcy returns and these big giants come up into play. But I'm happy that we have given a lot of business to our local Kirana guys, because they are the ones who's been supporting us. Right. All the big giants have just run away right now. They're not able to deliver. With all their might, with all the marketing power, with all the logistics in place, with thousands of crores spent, right now we need them and they're not available. That's the bottom line. So I am just hoping when this lockdown is over and things get back to normal, and inshallah, Maula and Dua see, Moominin will, people whom we have delivered, our customers, our valued people, they will know that who were with them when they needed them the most. And with that, they will come back to us. And certain things, certain categories of products that we have are unique to Moomin Bhai.
Right.
Like the kind of meat we eat, mutton no gosht che, paya che, kaleji che, all those sectors, I think it is still not available on Big Basket and other platforms. And for that, they will, of course, come back to us. And since it is dynamically changing, every day there's something or the other happening. So I'm sure once this lockdown is over, we will have something unique which will make us be in the business for a very long time to come.
Right.
And of course, we are looking out for people who can join us, in this cause as well. And we are also looking out for people, because once this normalcy returns, we will need to have some kind of a financial might to fight these people, or at least be at par with them in terms of, and at least not nationwide, but at least we can be regional, and we can be up to first. We just Surat, we become the best in Surat and know Surat well, and probably then move out to different cities then.
Right.
Yeah. So that's the vision as of now.
Right. And I guess as we were discussing offline, at times it is not even necessary when you start off, start off career, to have a vision chalked out or a mission chalked out. Maybe it's good to have a mini goal, but then the larger goal can come up, or that can take a shape as we take the single steps. And before we end this, what would be your conclusive statement, or let's say, agar main kahun ki ek message सगला मुमिनीन वास्ते to be able to, you know, let's say अगर कोई start करी सोचे छे that मैं start करूँ something या मैं plan करूँ कहीं start करवानू, it can be something very small like जे तमे कीधु work from homes सी करीने के technology startup बनाईने या कहीं पण એ ચીજ હમના પણ રિલેવન્ટ થઈ શકે છે અને લોકડાઉન ખુલવાના પછી પણ રિલેવન્ટ થઈ શકે છે બટ ધેન સિન્સ તમે હમના આખું એક્સપિરિયન્સ કીધું ફ્રોમ સ્ટાર્ટ ફ્રોમ આઈડિએશન ટુ એક્ઝિક્યુશન તમે શું એડવાઇસ આપશો in very brief to everyone who's listening from your experience right now?
Amar bhai, the only thing I would want to tell to a lot of other Mu'minin who must be in similar situations like mine, that I mean, you'll have to just close. I mean, generally we say, I mean, a lot of motivation speakers I've seen Amar bhai as well speak. So, you know, they tell us to shut all your minds and focus on one particular thing, and then the results come. But I would say that thanks to our government and thanks to PM Modi, of course, that being in a lockdown, it is by default that we are in that space. So this is the right time to think about what best you can do for your business. And this does not apply to groceries as well. It can apply to your own industry as well, hardware or electronics or any other items that you can bring it online, and there are a lot of ways to do it. And it is nothing that you should know technology. You'll have to do it yourself. All you have to do is find the team, delegate work. You've seen all the other big startups and all the other leaders. They don't do it themselves. They don't know even software testing or software development. But they're good leaders. They're good leaders because they're able to delegate work and at the same time motivate the team. And I'm happy that I have found two of my cousins who have been very supportive and has some knowledge on the tech side as well. And we were together able to build a product which should take us through even after the lockdown is over. So my advice to you, just you'll have to take that leap of faith and jump in and do one thing at a time. Focus is the key word here. One thing at a time. Once you decide that you have to do this, you don't have to think too far and okay, how the finance are going to work out, how my other business is going to work. We don't know. But things are going to happen dynamically, and it has to be one step at a time. And first, just jump. All you have to do is jump. Take that first jump, and probably something is going to hold you, and you'll have to have that faith in you. Right. That's the message I have for everyone.
Right. Thank you so much, Abbas bhai. I guess those were definitely the words of wisdom, if I were to call it, which should जे लोगों ने definitely help कर से to understand from an experience, because अपने तिजारत રાબિયાના પ્લેટફોર્મ ઉપર ઘણા બધા વેબિનાર્સ કરીએ છીએ, ઘણા બધા સેમિનાર્સ કરીએ છીએ, આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ પણ આપીએ છીએ. બટ ધેન it always feels good જ્યારે આપણે કોઈ ફેલો મુમિનીને યા ફેલો બિઝનેસમેનની સ્ટોરી સુનીએ અને પછી એનાથી રિલેટ કરીને આપણે ઇન્સ્પિરેશન ડ્રો કરીએ. આઈ એમ શ્યોર તમે પણ ઘણા બધા વેબિનાર્સ એઝ યુ સેડ અટેન્ડ કરી ચૂક્યા છો તિજારત રાબિયાના. ઇનફેક્ટ हमना जो तिजारत राबियानु COVID-19 सीरीजना वेबिनार सीरीजना अंदर अपने वेबिनार पण कीधु which went by the name of ideation to go to market. મોહમ્મદ ભાઈ સાબુવાલાએ લીધું. આ જે વિડીયો અગર આપ જોઈ રહ્યા છો તો એના ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં એનું લિંક પણ છે. ઇટ્સ અ વેરી ફેન્ટાસ્ટિક વેબિનાર અને એના અંદર ઘણા બધા આઈડિયાઝ, ઘણા બધા થોટ પ્રોસેસ શેર કરવામાં આવ્યા હતા કે અગર તમારા પાસે કોઈ આઈડિયા હોય, હાઉ ડુ યુ ટેક ઇટ ટુ માર્કેટ, વોટ ઇઝ ધ પ્રોસેસ લુક્સ લાઈક. ઘણા બધા સપોર્ટિંગ પ્લેલિસ્ટ પણ છે દી બોરાના યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ ઉપર, તો એ પણ આપ જોઈ શકો છો. અને અબ્બાસ ભાઈ, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર જોઈનિંગ અસ. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ ફોર શેરિંગ and sparing your time with us. I know કે હમણાંના જે સિચ્યુએશન છે એનામાં every hour or every minute is of critical importance to you, but then you spent about 30 minutes with us. And I am thanking you from the platform's end, and we wish you all the best. We wish you all the success. I'm sure Maulani dua che you will go and that mile towards which you have started the single step. And we want to see this turning into the next big giant with which you are trying to compete right now.
Thank you, Amar bhai. Thank you for having me again. And I have to tell you that Maulana dua to chej, and with the kind of guidance Tijarat gives you, trust me, I have gained a lot. I have been also with Tijarat for a long time now, 4 to 5 years now, and with the kind of and this is all, you should know that there are other platforms on the web which you'll have to pay and get the knowledge. But this Tijarat platform is extremely unique, and it is for Muminin, and just like mine. I mean, there must be many out there who has been looking for some kind of action. They should come to Tijarat. અને મહેજ મૌલાનો એહસાન છે કે મુમિનીનને ટેકનોલોજીમાં, બિઝનેસમાં, પર્સનલ લાઈફમાં, બધામાં મોલા આ લોકડાઉનના દરમિયાન બી થ્રુ વેબ બધાને ગાઈડ કરી રહ્યા છે. આનો ઘણું ઘણું મોટો એહસાન છે, અને ખુદાનો લાખ લાખ શુકર કે વી આર એબલ ટુ વી આર પાર્ટ ઓફ ધીસ સોસાયટી, અને વી હેવ ટુ બી એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી થેન્કફુલ કે આપણે આવા કમ્યુનિટીમાં છે. there is no, I don't think so there's another community who does this. Thank you, Amar bhai. Thank you, the whole team of Tijarat, for inviting me on this platform and sharing whatever I could share, little I could share with all of you guys. Right. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure, Abbas bhai. And to everyone who's watching this, please ensure that our video in the description ma je link che ideation to go to market ye aap જોઈએ. A webinar, see if you are thinking of starting something of your own, hamna, yeah, in near future, this webinar should definitely of great help. And with that, I guess it's time we close this discussion, and look forward to more such discussions, more such webinars in coming future. Subscribe to our channel and ensure that you follow us on Instagram at, and the handle naam che, it's @DBohraOfficial. Thank you so much once again, Abbas bhai, and
thank you, Amar bhai.
All the best.
All right, bye bye.